Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld here. Today with me we have the Luci String Plus solar lights. Let's take a look. Taking a look at this product, firstly it has 3 different light settings. We've got our low setting where the lights come in at 20 lumens, the medium setting which is 70 lumens, and then our highest setting where the lights come in at 140 lumens. The cord itself, it's a 13 meters long, a 13 meter cord, and we have 20 of these shatterproof bulbs on there. So at the moment we have all these lights powered by our main power source here. So looking at this is a rechargeable power pack. So there's 2 options to recharge it. It's got a big solar panel on the front here, which is great if you're out and away from electricity. Or if you want a quick charge, it's also got standard USB and USB-C charging ports at the back as well. So you can power the lights from this power source here. They just plug into the side of it here with USB-C. They don't have to. If you have your own power supply, you can plug that USB-C in anywhere else to power those lights. This can also be used as its own power pack if you want to. If you want to charge a device, a phone or anything else like that, there's the USB-C in here. You can plug your device into that and it'll get some charge from the main hub. When you've got the lights on the low setting, they should run for up to about 40 hours. On the medium setting, they'll run for about 24 hours, and on the highest setting here, you'll get up to about 8 hours. And across the top here, you've also got an adjustable carry handle, so on the side here, you can take it out, and there's a couple of different length options. When it comes to hanging your lights or displaying them how you want to, you've got the hook here on this end, and then throughout the 13 meters of the cord, there are a couple of other little hooks there to help. Looking at the front here, we've got 2 buttons. The first one is the main power button, which is gonna control your lights, and next to it, we've got our battery button. If you press that, we have some LED lights here, and that's gonna just indicate how much charge the power hub has. So when you're ready to pack up your lights like we just have, we've taken them down, you just roll them back up into here, close this off, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys, and like always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.